Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best calf stretcher rocker is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools for improving lower leg flexibility, reducing muscle soreness, and preventing injuries, making it an essential addition to any fitness routine for athletes, runners, or anyone experiencing calf pain. Number 5. Gradient Fitness Stretching Strap. Experience superior strength and durability with this 8-foot-long, 1-inch wide strap. It features 12 independent stretching loops and ultra-soft neoprene padded handles, ensuring it's built to last. Unlike other stretching tools, this non-elastic, non-latex strap is crafted from 100% premium quality nylon webbing. This means you control the stretch, not the strap. Enjoy ultimate comfort during every exercise. Each end is equipped with neoprene padded handles, making it the perfect companion for all your stretching needs. Designed by physical therapists and trusted by rehab specialists nationwide, this strap is a professional-grade tool for physical therapy and rehabilitation. Take your fitness routine anywhere. This strap is easy to carry thanks to the included Velcro strap, making it ideal for on-the-go workouts. Maximize your results with a physical therapist-designed 12-exercise poster. Learn how to effectively use it for a variety of exercises, yoga, and improving flexibility. What we like. This strap offers a remarkable 12 independent stretching loops, providing versatile options for your flexibility goals. The ultra-soft neoprene handles ensure maximum comfort during every stretch. If you're looking for a tool designed by professionals and endorsed by rehab specialists for physical therapy, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The calf stretcher rocker is designed with a non-slip surface to ensure stability during use. It features an adjustable strap that allows for a customized stretch, accommodating different flexibility levels. The rocker's ergonomic design provides optimal support for the foot and ankle, promoting effective calf muscle stretching. Number 4. Willit Women's Yoga Capris Pants. Experience ultimate comfort with these high-waisted capris. Designed for a flattering fit, they move with you through every pose. Featuring a stylish crop and straight leg cut, these leggings offer a modern silhouette. They provide a perfect blend of fashion and function for your active lifestyle. Engineered for your workouts, these capris offer excellent support and flexibility. Stay focused on your exercise without any distractions. From yoga to gym sessions, these athletic pants are your ideal companion. Enjoy unrestricted movement and a secure feel during any activity. The 21-inch inseam provides a chic cropped look, perfect for showcasing your favorite athletic shoes. They offer just the right amount of coverage. These capris are designed to be both stylish and incredibly comfortable. Enjoy a perfect fit that supports your every move, whether you're in or out of the gym. What we like. These capris feature a flattering high waist and a comfortable cropped straight leg design, perfect for your active lifestyle. If you prioritize both style and function during your workouts, these are a great pick for you. What people say. They are soft, comfortable, lightweight and fit great. The side pockets are deep enough for my phone and high enough that the phone doesn't fall out when I sit down. The material of these pants is wonderful, soft, silky, cool against your skin, stretchy but form-fitting. Number 3. IdealStretch Patented Stretcher. Introducing the IdealStretch, the patented device designed to provide a comprehensive stretching experience. It targets hamstrings, lower back, hips, and calves, making it ideal for athletes, seniors, and those recovering from injuries. This versatile tool goes beyond basic hamstring stretches. It effectively stretches your calves, hips, groins, knees, back, and glutes, eliminating the need for multiple stretching devices. Experience relief from sciatica and back pain with this specialized stretcher. It functions as a deep tissue stretching tool, targeting muscles for improved flexibility and comfort. Crafted with a durable steel frame, this lightweight device is user-friendly for daily use. It includes an instructional card to ensure you get the best results safely. Whether you're a yogi, dancer, athlete, or senior, this stretcher is for you. It provides relief for tight muscles and can be compared to a stretching strap for ultimate flexibility. Trusted by healthcare professionals, including physical therapists and chiropractors, this device is paramount for enhancing flexibility and promoting overall musculoskeletal health. What we like. This device provides a comprehensive stretching solution for hamstrings, lower back, calves, and hips, acting as an all-in-one tool. It's recognized for alleviating sciatica pain and targeting deep muscles. If you're an athlete, senior, or recovering from an injury and need a versatile tool for pain relief and deep stretching, this is the one to consider. What people say. Very easy to use and put together. Great fit for my legs. The quality is excellent. Within minutes of using it, I felt the stretch and found less pain in my lower body. Great machine to stretch your leg. Takes 1 minute to put together. Perfect for stretching his knee straight. Number 2. Lifepro InclineX Calf Stretcher Slant Board. Unlock greater flexibility and a wider range of motion. This versatile tool helps improve mobility in your calves, ankles, knees, and other muscles. Elevate your weight training sessions and achieve better results. Use it with your dumbbells for enhanced effectiveness, with guidance from the included user manual. Precisely target specific tension points and muscle groups. Its durable adjustable mechanism allows for customized workouts unlike other incline boards. Deepen your stretches and prepare your body effectively. This is an outstanding way to ensure a safe and effective training session, reducing the risk of injuries. Built for performance, it features a high-traction surface and non-skid protectors. Its durable iron construction is ready for your most demanding workouts. What we like. This slant board is designed to extend your flexibility and range of motion, while also helping to strengthen and tone your calves. Its durable iron construction and adjustable angle mechanism allow you to target specific tension points effectively. If you're looking to improve your weight training results and reduce the risk of training injuries, this board is a solid investment. What people say. They are sturdy and the grips were perfect for me because I was so unsteady. These have upped my leg days. I did notice that the shoe grip design is not suitable for smoother bottom shoes, running shoes, as it can be slightly slippery. So I opted to use another pair of gym shoes that are cross-trainer oriented. They are metal and feel very solid, not like thin cheap metal, decent weight to them. They sit flat and do not slide on my rubber gym flooring. Number 1. Rolling with It Premium Calf Stretcher and Foot Rocker. Experience the difference with our premium foot rocker, engineered for superior stability and support. Its wider base and larger platform accommodate all shoe sizes, ensuring a comfortable and effective stretch every time. Trusted by orthopedic specialists, athletic trainers, and athletes, this device is proven to alleviate conditions like plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, and tight calves. It's the most effective treatment for active lifestyles. Our foot stretcher's ergonomic design perfectly aligns your foot for enhanced muscle stretching. Its durable, non-skid platform is suitable for all shoe types, making it ideal for use at home or the office. Achieve significant results with just 3 30-second daily stretches. It increases strength, flexibility, and mobility in your lower legs and feet, naturally reducing pain and the risk of injuries. Crafted from premium wood with an anti-slip rubberized bottom, it ensures safety and protects your floors. The reinforced heel cup accommodates large shoes and supports up to 400 pounds, offering professional-grade relief. We're so confident in our premium foot rocker that we offer a lifetime customer support and a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. What we like. This premium foot rocker offers a wider base for enhanced stability and a larger platform accommodating all shoe sizes. It's engineered for natural pain relief from conditions like plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. If you seek a durable, professionally recommended solution for chronic foot and lower leg pain, and prefer a handcrafted, high-quality design, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. A few minutes of stretching in the morning and evening provides incredible relief for my tight calves and foot pain. It's sturdy, has a great non-slip surface, and gives a much deeper stretch than I could ever get on my own. It's incredibly well made and my shoes fit perfectly. Best of all, it's effective. I've been using it 3 times a day for the last few weeks and my foot pain is significantly reduced. It's stable and non-slip in the right places. It's quiet and rocks smoothly. It ensures the therapeutic stretch without having to face a wall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.